Rocket Mortgage Account Login. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in Rocket Mortgage Login. Once you do so, you will see Rocket Mortgage Login at the first search result. Click onto it. Then you will land onto a page like this. In here, click on to sign in. And at this page, you have to enter your email address. Once you have done that, enter the password box and type in your password. Once you do so, click on to sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Rocket Mortgage account. In case you are having difficulty signing in, you can click on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. Just like so, this is how it's done. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.